Hello, my name is Gerardo Alberto Herrero Sanchez. I'm a student from Prepatec Metepec, and today I will talk about my portfolio of evidences. So, to start, I made an autobiography where I talked about my life as a child and where I studied, my life in my house, how I got treated by my family and my friends, and some other stuff like that. Over here, I have some pictures of me as a child in kindergarten, in elementary school, in secondary school, and this is me in right now in Prepatec Metepec. Then I made a curriculum vitae. In my curriculum, I talked about myself in a professional way, like if I was going to present myself to an enterprise or something. Here I have my experiences I have done abroad, some skills I have learned through time, like responsibility, intelligence, and being friendly, and some strength and other competencies. Here I have some diplomas I got from my schools, and that's all I did on my curriculum. Then I talked about the two competences I had developed throughout my whole uh, high school. So first, I talked about self-management. Self-management, I think, is one of the most important competence there is to work because without self-management, you can be a successful person without the help of anybody. So first I talked about a trip, an exchange trip I did with Tech de Monterrey, an exchange trip to France where I learned a lot about being alone and kind of surviving alone in France in another country. And that's how I worked with self-management. And then I talked about another project I did in Prepatec Metepec about a plant. We needed to plant a seed and then hatch it until it grew. And I think it talked about self-management because you need to manage yourself to work properly for the seed to hatch properly. Then I talked about collaboration. In collaboration, I worked in two projects. The first project is from this image, where I had to make a non-governmental organization with some of my friends in the school to attack a worldwide problem and then make a little project inside the school and then receive some small feedback from our classmates. And then I made a little enterprise with some of my friends where we needed to get feedback also from like clients. So that's everything I made from my portfolio of evidences. And I want to thank to all my teachers and my parents who have brought me here to the person I am today. And I want to thank also my teacher of Decisiones Personales y Profesionales because he taught me about these two competences I just talked to you. And goodbye.